All right, today we are diving into a career hack that could seriously boost your salary, maybe even up to 24 lakhs per year. The secret? It's all about Oracle's premium certifications. And here's the kicker. For limited time, they are totally free. Let's get right into it.
And you know what? That's not an exaggeration. Think about it. In a huge pile of resumes that all look kind of the same, an official Oracle certification just pops. It's like a spotlight on your name, telling recruiters you have real industry-approved skills. It immediately puts you on the shortlist.
Normally, getting your hands on this kind of high-level training costs a pretty penny. We're talking over 26,000 rupees. For any student or someone who just graduated, that's a serious chunk of change.
But for right now, that entire cost is zero. Zip. Nada. Oracle is giving you full access to these amazing courses and their certification exams absolutely free. This is one of those rare chances to get a massive head start on the competition.
So, you're probably wondering why. Why would a tech giant like Oracle just give all this away? Well, it's not just them being nice. It's actually a really smart move to fix a massive problem in the tech world, the skills gap. The numbers here are, well, they're pretty shocking. Every single year, India has about 1.5 million engineering graduates, but an incredible 90% of them aren't considered ready for the job because they just don't have the specific, up-to-date skills that companies are desperate for. And here's the heart of the issue. On one side, you have college courses that are often teaching older stuff. But on the other side, the industry is screaming for people who have hands-on experience in AI, cloud, data science, and DevOps right now. There's a huge disconnect between the two.
And this is exactly where Oracle comes in. They've launched this whole program to build a bridge across that gap. It's a win for companies that need talented people. And let me tell you, it's an even bigger win for you.
The program's called the Race to Certification 2025. It's pretty straightforward, really. The whole idea is to give people like you the most sought-after tech skills, prove that you know your stuff with a free official certification, and build that pipeline of talent the industry needs so badly. To a recruiter, seeing a specific Oracle certification on a resume is like gold. Just think about it for a second. Oracle's technology, especially their databases, runs a huge portion of the biggest companies in the world. So a certification from them proves you're already trained on the exact systems these companies use every day. For them, that means they don't have to spend time and money training you. For you, it means a fast track to an awesome job.
Okay, so you see the value, right? It's a game changer. Now, how do you actually grab this opportunity? The process is super simple, and we're going to break it down into 5 easy steps.
It couldn't be easier. You just go to the website, click Join the Race, and then sign in or create an account. Now, here's the most important part. Make sure you hit that special activation button to officially get into the program. After that, you just pick your course, and you are ready to start learning. You know, this certificate has real weight because they don't just give it to you for watching some videos. No, you have to earn it by passing a proper proctored exam. That means someone is supervising you online to make sure it's all legit. And the voucher for that exam, that's included for 3 too. That tough testing is exactly why recruiters trust it so much. All right, so you're in. Now for the fun part, picking what you want to learn. There are over 20 certifications to choose from, which sounds like a lot, but don't worry. Oracle has grouped them into a few key areas to make it easy. So let's look at the big ones. If you're new to the tech world, the AI Foundations track is a fantastic place to start. For all you IT grads who want to get into the cloud industry, which is booming, the OCI track is your golden ticket. And hey, if you've got a background in computer science or stats, the data track could open doors to some really high-paying data science jobs. And just to be super clear, this isn't just for a small, exclusive group. It doesn't matter if you're an engineering student, a recent BTech or BCA graduate, or honestly, anyone who wants to jumpstart a career in AI or the cloud, this program is built for you. So we've covered the what, the why, and the how. There's just one last piece of the puzzle, and it's maybe the most important, the when. And the answer to that is simple, right now. This is not going to be around forever. The benefits of jumping on this now are huge. You're going to get a clear hiring preference, you'll have the power to negotiate a much higher salary, maybe 30 to 40% higher, and you could even open up opportunities for international freelance gigs. It's a true career booster. Okay, pay very close attention to this timeline. The program is open right now, but that window slams shut on October 31st, 2025. After that date, this whole golden opportunity is just gone. The time to build your future is literally now. So, that leaves just one final question for you. When you look at where technology is headed and where you want your career to go, which one of these amazing, in demand skills are you going to choose to master? The opportunity is right here, the training is free, and the choice is all yours.